Hey iPhone fans! If you're like me, you're always looking to make your iPhone uniquely yours. With iOS 18, Apple has given us even more ways to customize our devices. So, let's dive into how you can unlock your iPhone's full potential with widgets and shortcuts. First, let's talk about widgets. iOS 18 brings a whole new level of customization with interactive widgets. To add a widget, just long press on your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Tap the plus in the upper left corner, and you'll see a list of available widgets. Pick your favorite, choose the size, and drag it to your desired spot. You can even stack widgets by dragging one on top of another. Now, let's move on to shortcuts. The Shortcuts app in iOS 18 is a game changer. Open the app and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. You can select from a variety of actions like sending a message, playing music, or even controlling your smart home devices. Once you've built your shortcut, you can add it to your home screen for quick access. And don't forget automations. Automations let you trigger actions based on time, location, or even when you open an app. To set one up, go to the Automation tab in the Shortcuts app and tap Create Personal Automation. Choose your trigger, add your actions, and you're all set. With these tips, your iPhone is going to feel more personal, efficient, and just plain fun to use. So go ahead, explore iOS 18 and make your iPhone truly yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.